focused on the black sun. But will they prove more powerful?
Now that's some brightness. You guys have to hold your beam super steady. It's the only thing that'll save your home city. Do you want to save your home city? That's the kind of energy it'll take, except sun's energy. Point it at that boat. That's the spirit soldiers. I'm Greek, not Scottish. I don't know why I'm talking like that.
500 silvered mirror beams on the sail have already resulted in a huge rise in temperature. They're getting 200 degrees of concentrated heat, but that's not yet enough to ignite the sail.
The intensity I'm seeing from some of these mirrors is just incredible, and yet no sign of fire.
All right, I think you guys are pulling this boat closer to us, okay? Keep those mirrors focused. The closer he gets, the hotter he's going to get. You may just get some fire. That's it, good.
So, Commander Savage takes one last chance to organize the troops
Flash, I want fire.
and prevent a full-scale Heinemann invasion.
You guys are doing great. We're not getting fire.
Stay tuned for the fantastic flippin' finale.
There's so much that could go wrong on this.
And can all the President's men take down the trireme?
This is the last chance we have to catch this thing on fire.
Okay, so set stage, but I think that we've busted the myth as appears the movie on a small scale.
We gotta know that. Fabricate results.
And normally at this point of the myth, we would replicate it like they did it in the movie, probably with like a nitrogen cannon and a piston. What if we just use the same physics but change the design of the car to see if we can get it to flip?
That could be fun, but maybe